What's going on, guys? Bobby from Skybrowse here with another exciting update. So as you guys know, our vision is to simplify 3D modeling through videogrammetry that we've patented, but also make it as quick as possible. So currently we're the fastest 3D modeling platform out there, but we're not content with just that. We wanted to get it to real time. Right now, I have Skybrowse open up on my Lite account, and I'm going to upload a video. So this is processing using our old algorithm right here, and I'm just going to call this video two cars. So it's just a cell phone recording of me walking around two vehicles right here, just in a smooth circle. That's about it. So I'm going to upload this video right here, call it two car, and then upload that. And I'm going to start a timer once it's done uploading. So upload speeds vary based off of internet, but right there, it's just uploaded. So I'm going to start the timer, and we're going to see how long it takes. So as you can see, this is done processing now. This took about 2 minutes or so to process a 59-second video. So let's just say a 1-minute video right here. And the model looks pretty good as well. You can see here's what the model looks like right here. And this is with the Skybrowse Lite. So the people that subscribe to Skybrowse Lite will get this type of quality right here. It's got good detail of the vehicle and all the things around it. And you get accuracy up to couple inches right there. So pretty accurate, and also good looking 3D model right here. But now I'm going to open up our newest algorithm right here that's currently available, and I'm going to upload the same exact video, and we'll see how long this process is. So same exact thing. I'm going to name this two car. I'm going to upload the same exact video right here, the vehicles, and click upload. And usually uploads, they don't take that long. So you can see right there, just a couple seconds, and it's done uploading. So start the timer. Now that it's uploaded. And in just a couple of seconds, it'll change over to processing. So you'll be able to see that it is now processing. And we're going to run the timer again and see how long it takes with the new algorithm to process this 3D model. And it's done. So the minute 24 seconds. So that's a time savings of 30 seconds, which means that this is processing roughly 25% faster. For other models, you can see processing speed up of up to 150% faster, so 1.5 times faster. And right here, you'll see the new model, and it looks fantastic right here. So here's the other model right here, processed with our newer algorithm. You can see it's got all the same exact details, slightly better details. So another thing I want to show you is on my premium account right here, you'll see that I processed the same exact video with my premium account, and with premium, you can see even more details. So zooming in, you can see all the details of the vehicle, the wheel, the mud splatter right here, license plates, and more. So all of this is done with just a 1-minute cell phone video recording right here. And you're able to get all that detail right here in just a minute or two. So again, we're always looking to improve. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe.